Love fish? Today we're whipping up 3 irresistible fish starters, bold, crispy and packed with flavor. Amritsari Fish Fry, Indo-Chinese fish chili and the classic Parsi delicacy Patra Ni Macchi. Let's get started. First up, the iconic Amritsari Fish Fry. For this, marinate boneless fish with red chilli powder, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice and salt. Let it soak in the flavors for 20 minutes. Then add besan, rice flour, curd, ajwain, egg and chopped coriander to make a thick coating. Now heat oil and deep fry the fish in batches till golden brown and irresistibly crispy. Serve hot, sprinkle some chaat masala, coriander leaves, onion rings and red chili flakes. A perfect crunchy starter with a zingy dip. Next, we're turning up the heat with Indo-Chinese style fish chili. For this, marinate sliced fish with spices and keep aside for 10 minutes. Now whip up a simple batter, dip the fish in and deep fry till crisp and golden. Meanwhile, mix your sauce ingredients: soy sauce, vinegar, chili sauce, ketchup, all the good stuff. Now in a hot pan, add oil and butter. Fry chopped chilies, garlic and ginger for a minute. Add diced capsicum and onions. Saute on high heat. Now add your sauce. Toss in the fried fish and mix till every piece is coated. Finish with chopped coriander and a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. Spicy, saucy and super addictive. And now a delicate Parsi classic Patra Ni Macchi. Make a gentle cut in your fish fillet and marinate for 5 minutes. Now for the green masala, blend coconut, coriander, mint, green chilies, garlic, ginger, lime juice and a touch of sugar. Grind it to a smooth chutney. Now cut banana leaves, place the fish in the center and slather the green masala paste generously on both sides. Now wrap the fish tightly and secure with a thread. Then steam for 10 to 15 minutes until the fish is perfectly tender and infused with all that chutney goodness. Serve it straight out of the leaf, fresh, flavorful and aromatic. From crispy Amritsari fish to fiery fish chili to the herby, steamed Patra Ni Macchi, there's something for every fish lover. Which one will you try first? Comment below. Like, share and subscribe for more such recipes.